Well, we're in the third year of a very dry season. We're getting ready for the worst. Now, we don't want to anticipate before we know, but we need a full complement of firefighting capacity. The state's climate appears to be changing. The scientists tell us that definitely, so we got to gear up here. After all, in California, for 10,000 years, our population was about 300,000. Now it's 38 million. We have more structures, more activity, more sparks, more combustible activity, and we got to gear up for it. And as the climate changes, this is going to be a radically different future than was our historic past.